Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. Today we're going to cover mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is length of a curve. Let's get straight into it. Now, what we're going to do is get the length of a curve via integration. So how this will work is that our formula is pretty basic. So what we have to do is this is combined. What we need to do, it's combined integration and differentiation. So it is the integral of 1 plus dy over dx. Okay. D squared, the power of a half. That is our formula. Now, this is our formula. Now, with this particular formula, what we can do with this particular formula is we're going to find S. S is used in mathematics and science to denote distance. So, even if you have a line like this, so if you want to figure out the distance from here to here, you would use this formula in integration to do so. If you want to find the distance of this line from there to there, you will just plug it in, you'll just plug your formula for that particular line into this formula here. I'll show you how it works. Now, what we need to realize is that these two lines, so it's y squared, so y is equal to x to the power 3 over 2. Okay, so what we need to do now is take the integral, the differential, so dy over dx, right? So that's 3 over 2 x times minus a half. No, positive a half actually. It's to the power of a half. Right. So what you do is you multiply this minus 1. Right. So this is how you will do it. So take the integral, take the differential, 3 over 2, x to the power of a half. Alright, now, what we do is we take this whole thing and we square it. We take the whole thing and we square it. So, 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4, a half squared is just plain x. Okay, now what we have is our formula. So our formula goes the integral of 4 and 0, because that's our points. So when the line is from 0, x equals 0 and x equals 2, x equals 4. Okay, so now we put it into this formula here. So 1 plus 9 over 4x power of a half. Normally this would be square rooted, but it's easier to work with the power of a half. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is take this whole part and we are going to differentiate. We're going to differentiate. So, to differentiate, so let u equal 1 plus 9 over 4x equals 9 over 4 du dx. Now we just need to find dx. Dx is du over 9 over 4. Now 9 over 4 will be multiplied 4 over 9. It will be multiplied 4 over 9. So what we do is we take this and we put it here. Multiplied by 4 over 9, integral of 4 and 0, u to the power of a half. Right, so u to the power of a half plus 1 over a half plus 1. So what we're left with is 3 over 2. So what we're left with is 3 over 2. We're left with here is 3 over 2. Okay, so 3 over 2 becomes 2 over 3 when we flip it. So 4 over 9 multiplied by 2 over 3. Right. So these two don't match and that doesn't match. So 3 times 9 is 27. 8 over 27. So it's 8 over 27. 8 over 27. 1 plus 9 over 4x to the power 3 over 2. Alright. Now we put this in our formula. Where there's x, we put 4 and 0. So, where there's 4, we'll put 9 over 4 times 4 plus 1. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. 40 over 4 is 10. 40 over 4 is 10. 10 multiplied by 8 over 27. And all this to the power 3 over 2. So bracket that. Bracket that. Yeah. So our answer to that particular one, is without, let's do it this way, sorry. I made a mistake. So let's go 1 plus 9 over 4 to the power. Okay, this one here with for the 4 in it. This one with a 4 in it is going to be 8/27 multiplied by 31,62. Okay. Minus, now when we put 0 in here, 0 times that is 0, and 3/2 times 1 is 3/2. So it's still 1, so it's minus 1. So it's 30,622. Close off the bracket. Now, 8/27 multiplied by 31,622 minus 1. And we have the length of our line is equal to the length of our line. The length of our line is 9,0732 meters in length. That is how long our line is. If you follow these rules, sometimes when you integrate, your formula will be the square or something like that. It will actually come to one of those. So if it does, just follow it till its normal conclusion. Because then you'll have 1 plus or 1 minus and so on and so forth. So just be careful of that. I've had sums that have come to me and they've been really, really not nice. So if you can also apply the same method when you want to find the length of a sine graph. You would apply the same method. But then the integral of sine will be something different here. It'll be something different. It won't be just, so it might be cos to the minus 1 and so on and so forth. So just pay attention to that. Pay attention to that and pay attention to all your laws of integration. Please do all your laws of integration. And pay attention to them and know what to use where. Because they might try to trick you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing costs you absolutely nothing. But it does help the channel but it helps with the algorithm and it helps the channel to grow. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in the upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day and looking forward to seeing you in the next video.